Parts produced through CNC machining often come off the machine with sharp edges as a result of the milling process. These sharp edges are not only dangerous to handle, but may also present a fit issue for parts that go into assemblies. The chamfering operation can be used to remove or break those edges. Traditionally, a chamfer tool is used in this operation, but in CAMWorks 2025, we now can select other types of tools to achieve smoother edges. So let's see how this works inside of CAMWorks 2025. New to CAMWorks 2025 is the ability to now choose a ball mill, a lollipop tool, or even a hognose end mill in your chamfer machining operation. So let's take a look at the previous version of the chamfer machining operation. Inside of CAMWorks, you would define a curve feature, an open profile, or even a boss feature to define these edges. Then you would generate a contour mill operation. In that contour mill operation, under the Contour tab, you would then turn on the chamfer machining option. This gives you the ability to break the edges of your part using this chamfer tool. If we take a look at the tool selection, we can see that I'm currently using a chamfer mill. If you're not necessarily looking to leave a chamfered edge to break that edge, but really just looking to just break the edge, or if it's a 3D curve, sometimes the chamfer mill doesn't leave the best finished edge. Or sometimes the chamfer tool may gouge the part because of the steepness of the 3D curve. Now in 2025, we can select a ball mill that will allow us more 3D functionality in our edge breaking. Let's take a look at the same contour mill operation with the same settings, but this time using a ball mill. Looking at the same edge, using the same operation in simulation, but this time using the ball mill, we can see that the ball mill does engage that vertical curve. It keeps proper contact and maintains consistent material removal during the edge breaking. So the new ability to choose any kind of ball mill, hognose mill, or even a lollipop allows us to do three-dimensional edge breaking inside of CAMWorks. To learn more about programming with CAMWorks, consider taking some of the courses here on our platform, which covers a lot of the toolpaths and functionalities of the software. If you're interested in discovering what else is new inside of CAMWorks 2025, be sure to explore the rest of the videos in this series for more information on the enhancements to user interface, machine simulation, mill turn enhancements, and more. Thanks for watching What's New in CAMWorks 2025.